Hello everyone. Today we're going to be adding sounds and making a game over screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on stage, and I'm going to drag out when I receive end game. I'm going to go to the stage and go to control, drag out wait until. Actually, let me just duplicate this code. So if I die, we can replay the game. Let's go to choose a sprite. I'm going to click on upload sprite, and I'm going to click on 0 health. I'm going to reset the position to 0 and 0 and rename this to health. When the green flag is clicked, I want to hide the sprite. When I receive start game, then show. And when I receive end game, then hide. I'm going to go to costumes, press choose a costume and upload costume. I'm going to click on 1 health, press shift and click on 3 health and press open. So there should now be different sprites. One is with all the bars are red. One is with 2 of the bars are red. 1 bar is red, and we have all 3 bars are blue. So when I receive start game, switch costume to 3 health, and I'm gonna go to events, drag out when I received missed fruit. I'm gonna press next costume, and if, go to operators and drag out equals. If costume number is equal to 4, then broadcast end game. So if we've missed 4 fruits, or we are on 4 health right now, then broadcast end game. This is the wrong way, yeah. So 3 health goes at the top, 2 health goes below 3 health, and 1 health goes above 0 health. So blue goes first, and then red goes last. So if I let a fruit fall, you should see we lose a life, and we game over. The game ends when we reach 3 lives. We also want the fruit to stop spawning when we die. So I'm going to go to fruit, drag out when I receive end game, and drag out stop other scripts in the sprites, and delete this clone. I'm going to go to sounds and start adding in the fruit sounds. So I'm going to press mouse over choose a sprite and click on upload sprite. Click on sounds, and I'm going to add in these sounds right here: bomb, explode, fruit spawn, game over, and game start. And I'm going to delete the pop sound. I'm going to press upload sound again and upload the splatter 1 to splatter 4. I'm going to go back to code, and when I receive end game, we want to start sound game over. When I start as a clone, we want to play a fruit spawn sound. So if then, I'm going to go to operators and drag out equals, and if costume name is equal to bomb, then we want to start sounds bomb, else start sound fruit spawn. And I'm going to go back to the bomb sound. I'm going to drag and delete the other half of it. I'm going to select this first half and press fade out about 3 times. So you can see it fades out right there. Next, we want to play a bomb sound when we hit the bomb. So I'm going to drag out start sound explode right after if costume name is equal to bomb, else start sound pick random, and let me see which number this is. So 6 to 9. So start sound pick random 6 to 9. Oh, and I forgot the start game. So when I receive start game, you want to start sound game start. And let me press the green flag and press click. So now there's sounds when I play. So I think I'm gonna make some of the other sounds softer. So the game start. That's a little too loud, so I'm gonna click on softer until it's the right loudness. I'm gonna do the same thing to game over. And fruit spawn, that's a little loud, so I'm gonna press softer. I'm gonna also make the bomb a little softer too. The last thing we want to do is add a high score to the game so we can see who has the highest score. I'm gonna click on make a variable, click on cloud variable, and call this high score. I'm gonna press OK. So this high score shows up in the corner. I'm gonna drag it over to this corner and hide it. And when I receive start game, or actually when green flag clicks, let's hide variable high score and hide variable score and set size to 115, hide, and set volume to 100. When I receive endgame, we want to show the variable high score and hide the variable score. Actually, I want to show the variable score. And when I receive start game, we want to show variable score and hide variable high score. So that's about it. I'm going to save now and rename my project to Fruit Ninja. One last thing I forgot to do is when I receive start game, we want to set score to 0 so it resets each time we play. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.